Hello lovely people, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to share with you how to make this delicious chili sauce. So I have my green chilies, I also have my green bell pepper, my onions. This is a perfect combination. I also have garlic and ginger, which I'll be adding. I'll be adding everything into my blender, and I'll add some small amounts of water so that I'll blend it. But before I blend, I'll have to add my black peppercorn and some mustard seeds. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share this video. So I have added my black pepper and my mustard seed. So now I'm just going to blend it completely to a semi-smooth texture. Depending on how you want it to be, you may decide to make it very smooth, rough, or semi-smooth. With this chili sauce, it tastes so great. You can use it to eat your rice, kenke, banku, yam, and a whole lot of other foods. So at this point, I'll turn off my blender and I'll go ahead to place my pan on flame so that I can do the frying of the chili sauce. In my pan here, I'm adding some coconut oil and I'll let it heat up a bit. Then I'll gently add my star anise into it. And I'll add the blended chili sauce. I'll give it a good stir and allow it to cook till the moisture or the liquid in it is no longer there. So now I'll be adding a little salt and also some seasoning cube into my chili sauce, and I'll just stir it gently again. If you want to add additional spices, you may add it and you are good to go. But with this simple ingredients that I have used, my chili sauce tasted so great. Now the moisture is completely gone and my chili sauce is ready, and I'm just going to turn off my flame and then serve this with any food that I have. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.